welcome to TICE. We at TICE always brings up exciting news from the world of talent, idea, capital, entrepreneurship. And we are today for the launch of Palace on Wheels, the revamped, the relooking Palace on Wheels. You all would have heard about Palace on Wheels. You would want to be part of Palace on Wheels. You would want to be inside Palace on Wheels. And we are right now at the launch on 27 September, where the Palace on Wheels is kicking off. Palace on Wheels, not many people know. It's the first startup started by the government of India, government of Rajasthan, way back in 1982. The ऐसी startup है जब 1982 में चालू हुई थी. इसका base था talent. Indians are known for their hospitality. Rajasthani are known for their hospitality. They thought about an idea that हम राजस्थान से हैं जहाँ पे palaces हैं. क्या हम Palace on Wheels कर सकते हैं? And that's the thing. Talent plus idea. Capital provided by the government sector and entrepreneurship of the government sector. So Palace on Wheels, according to me, will be the oldest startup in India, arguably the oldest startup in India, started by the government, empowered, giving employment to people, making our India proud across the world. So that's Palace on Wheels, and Palace on Wheels starts its new journey from today in a new look, in a revamped look. So let's give a thumbs up to Palace on Wheels and making India proud all over the world.
Palace on Wheels started on 26 January 1982, and it was the idea of our minister, the then managing director, and the chairman RTDC and the railway board also. Because they traveled with the Orient Express there from Paris to Istanbul, and from there conceived the idea to have the Palace on Wheels, because at the time we were having the saloons of erstwhile Maharajas. They were not in use. So they combined all the saloons, made it a train, and named it Palace on Wheels.
Also, if we talk about this whole venture, it is kind of an entrepreneurial venture from the government in association with Rajasthan Tourism.
This is the biggest message to the tourism industry of India, because of a private people owned them, and they've taken over the Palace on Wheels to run that train. And because first time the private people, they joined their hands with the government, and it is you can see this biggest achievement, announcement of the train, luxury, the interior decor, exterior, everything. And the first two is nearly full. That is the biggest achievement of this.
ये पैलेस ऑन व्हील दुनिया की 10 लग्जरी ट्रेन में से एक है। पैलेस ऑन व्हील हम 81 से राजस्थान टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन चला रहा है। कोरोना के टाइम में ये ट्रेन खड़ी हो गई, क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया में सारा ही यातायात ठप हो गया था, मानव जीवन ठप हो गया था। उससे हमें कई तरह के लेसन मिले हमारे प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जी का आशीर्वाद से, क्योंकि एक पूरा आर्थिक सपोर्ट किया गया टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री को, जब जाके ये ट्रेन चलना संभव हो पाया। तो ये ट्रेन आज हमने 1 साल पहले चलाया, 5 करोड़ के करीब हमने आरटीडीसी ने मुनाफा कमाया, और मार्केट में ये एक ऐसा प्रयोग रहा हमारा, जिससे चूँकि हम चाह रहे थे कि कोई रिस्क आगे आने वाले टाइम में आरटीडीसी कोई रिस्क नहीं करे, तो पहली बार हम O&M पे गए हैं, ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनेंस पे।
Just took a round of Palace on Wheels. Palace on Wheels के अंदर घूम के आ रहा हूँ. I'm seeing the ट्रेन के कोचेस को कैसे एक पैलेस के रूम्स बनाए गए हैं. अभी मैं फॉयर में हूँ, मैं लाउंज एरिया में हूँ. इट लुक्स लाइक मैं सच्ची में पैलेस हूँ. पैलेस ऑन व्हील्स is a true embodying of Indian entrepreneurship. started with an idea, India's talent of hospitality. I'm meeting so many people जो यहाँ पे hospitality पे हैं with the turbans. Amazing Indian talent hospitality के लिए जानी जाती है. Capital provided by the government to fuel entrepreneurship, to fuel so many businesses. This train goes across the Rajasthan. 7 day, 8 day की journey है. ये lot of NRIs, lot of foreigners be part of this, lot of Indians be part of this. And obviously यहाँ की ticket prices ज़्यादा हैं. But just imagine 100 people in this train taking to different cities of Rajasthan. कितने लोगों को employment मिलता है, कितने लोगों को business करने का मौका मिलता है, कितने लोगों को talent दिखाने का मौका मिलता है. We salute to this idea. Palace on Wheels started in 1982 by the Indian government, by officials of the government, by Indian entrepreneurs, and this has created a story not just for Indians, but to the world. I think Palace on Wheels is a gift from India to the world, embodying entrepreneurship, talent, idea, and capital.